Delhi is located on the banks of which river? Answer is Yamuna. According to 2001 census, which state has a sex ratio more than 1000? Kerala. The folk dance Ghumar belongs to which state? Rajasthan. Highest peak in South India is Anaimudi. Gulbarga is located in the state of Karnataka. Udaygiri rock cut caves are located in Orissa. Headquarters of Southwestern Railways are located in Hubli. Which one is the deepest and the oldest lake of the world of fresh water? Answer is Lake Baikal. Monsoon is caused by seasonal reversal of winds. Equinox means dash. Answer is days and nights are equal. The mountains pass Nathula is located in Sikkim. The planet nearest to the Sun is Mercury. The headquarters of Northeastern Railways is located at Gorakhpur. On 21st June, the Sun is vertically overhead the dash. Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Evergreen forests are found in equatorial regions. The vegetation of the Thar Desert consists of xerophytes. Which is the world's highest dam? Rogun Dam. The equatorial radius of the Earth is approximately dash 6,400 kilometers. Where is rail coach factory located? Kapurthala. Which is known as Garden City of India? Answer is Bangalore. In which district of Rajasthan does the Aravalli Hills have its highest peak? Answer is Sirohi. Triveni, trijunction of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, is in the city of Allahabad. Masala Park is related to which city of Rajasthan? Answer is Jodhpur. Kanyakumari is located in which state of India? Tamil Nadu. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Meridian? 5.5 hours. Through which district of Rajasthan does the Tropic of Cancer pass by? Banswara. How many districts of Rajasthan are not touched by any of the boundaries of state and country? Answer is 9. The sex ratio is highest in which state? Kerala. In which district of Rajasthan is Kameshwari oil found? Barmer. What is the international date line? 180 degrees east longitude. The region known as Rice Bowl of India is Krishna Godavari Delta. The pink city in India is Jaipur. The largest port of India is Mumbai. The ruins of the Vijayanagara Empire exist in Hampi. The first fertilizer plant of India is in Sindri. Which state in India has least population? Sikkim. Which planet has been named after the Roman goddess of love? Venus. National Stock Exchange is located in which city of India? Mumbai. Wimbledon belongs to Britain. The famous Nile River flows through which country? Egypt. Which is the largest river of the world? Amazon River. Which canal connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea? Suez Canal. Where is Almaty Dam located? Karnataka. The concept of welfare state is defined in Directive Principles. Which state is bound by Bangladesh on 3 sides? Tripura. In which country is Arakan Yorna, an extension of the Himalayan ranges, situated? Myanmar. Which is the oldest university established in modern India? Answer is University of Calcutta. Birds get thrust and lift from flapping of wings. The Bhopal disaster of 1984 was the result of chemical accident. The largest living bird is ostrich. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi is known as a famous vocalist. Eiffel Tower is located in which country? France. Which Indian state has the minimum total forest cover? Haryana. Pandit Ravi Shankar is associated with music as sitar player. The famous Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Nagaland. The Shipping Corporation of India Limited was formed in 1950. Kanchenjunga mountain peak is in the border of Nepal. In which Indian city is the headquarters of Koir board located? Cochin. The mean distance from the sun to the earth is called astronomical unit. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur. Which city is known as the Garden City of India? Bengaluru. What is the height of Mount Everest approximately? 8,850 meters. Where does Yamuna river merge with the river Ganga? Allahabad. The Union of India consists of dash states and dash union territories. 29 states and 7 union territories. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Yamuna. In which country Gobi Desert is situated? Mongolia. Chilika Lake is in dash. It is in Odisha. Where is the Chidambaram Stadium located? Chennai. Tungabhadra Dam is located in Karnataka. Which planet is also known as Red Planet? Mars. Which city is known for its world famous Meenakshi temple? Madurai. Which one is the largest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. In which ocean does Japan Trench located? Pacific Ocean. In which country Padma River is flowing? Bangladesh. Which one is an Indian research station in Antarctica? Answer is Dakshin Gangotri. In which year did the partition of Bengal take place? 1905. In which year the name of the Union Territory of Pondicherry was changed to Puducherry? In the year 2006. Which soil is also known as Regur soil? Answer is black soil. The Make in India logo is made up of what? Lion made of cogs. Which region is the original habitat of Toda tribe? Nilgiri Hills. Which of the following popular tourist destinations of India were built in 1911 to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary? Gateway of India. From where was Mangalyaan launched? Sriharikota. Which one is called the dwarf planet? Answer is Pluto. According to an early Indian philosopher, everything is made up of dash basic elements. Answer is 5 basic elements. The black soil is also known as dash soil. Answer is Regur soil. Weight of an object on the moon is dash the weight of the object on earth. 1/6. India is the dash most populated country in the world. Answer is second most populated country. Rama Setu is located in which of the following? Park Strait. Which city of India stands on river Hooghly? Kolkata. 3 or more lines are dash if and only if all of them pass through the same point. Concurrent. The Great Indian Desert is also known as dash desert. Thar desert. Dash is the leading coffee producer state in India. Answer is Karnataka. There are dash parallel ranges of the Himalayas. Answer is 3 parallel ranges. The tallest peak of which mountain ranges is a mountain called Guru Shikhar? Aravalli range. The mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. In which city is St. Peter's Basilica One of the most famous churches in Christianity located. Madrid. Dakshin Gangotri is a research-based station set up by Indian scientists. Where is it located? Antarctica. Which region has the highest potential for wind energy? Answer is Western Ghats. The hill station of Chail is located in Himachal Pradesh.